Now in this question we are given the function which is defined by this notation, that is the function, this function is for every x is associated with 5 minus sine of 2x in this domain. Whereas x is less than or equal to pi or greater than or equal to 0. We need to find, the first part we need to find out the range of the function, and the second part we need to solve f of x is equal to 6. First of all, we need to find out the range of f. Now we are given with this function, and this can be written as f of x is equal to 5 minus 2 sine of 2x. We need to find out the range of this function. Now we know that the range of the sine function is sine of x is less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to minus 1. The value of sine lies between 1 and minus 1. Or you can write it as sine of 2x is less than or equal to 1 or greater than or equal to minus 1. This is also sine function. This sine x or sine 2x, it doesn't make any difference because this is a sine function, and the range of the sine function is always lying between these two values, minus 1 and plus 1. So sine of x is less than or equal to 1 or greater than or equal to minus 1, and sine of 2x is less than or equal to 1 or greater than or equal to minus 1. Sine of 2x will also lie in between these two values, is 1 or minus 1. Now here we need to check it out, that what we have. We have got here 5 minus 2 sine of 2x. So our aim will be to convert this into this term, that is 5 minus 2 sine of 2x. Now here we have got sine of 2x. So first of all we need to multiply this sine of 2x term here with minus 2. So when you multiply this with minus 2, you have to multiply minus 2 with minus 1 and plus 1 as well. So you need to multiply minus 2 with sine of 2x with 1 and with minus 1. So when you will multiply minus 2 with all these terms, since you are multiplying a minus number in an inequality, therefore these signs will be changed. That is less than or equal to will be converted into greater than or equal to, and this less than or equal to will be also converted into greater than or equal to. And when you multiply this minus with minus 2, it will become 2, and this will be changed into greater than or equal to, and this will become minus 2 sine of 2x, and this will also change, is greater than or equal to, and when 1 will be multiplied with minus 2, it will become minus 2. Now you have got this expression minus 2 sine of 2x. Since we need to convert this expression term into 5 minus 2 sine of 2x, therefore you need to add 5 everywhere. Here you need to add 5, here you need to add 5, or here you need to add 5. So this will become 2 plus 5 is greater than or equal to 5 minus 2 sine of 2x, and greater than or equal to minus 2 plus 5, and it will become 7 is greater than or equal to 5 minus 2 sine of 2x, and greater than or equal to, and it will become plus 3. Now we know that this is our function. So this is our f of x. So 7 is greater than or equal to f of x, and greater than or equal to 3. So this is our first response. That is the our value. This is the value of the sine of x is 7 is greater than or equal to f of x, which is equal to 3. Or you can write it as in simple terms as 3 is less than or equal to f of x, and this is less than or equal to 7. So f of x will always rise between 3 and 7, including of course 7 and 3, because there we got the sign of equality as well. So the range of this function is between 3 and 7, including 3 and 7. So now we need to solve this f of x is equal to sine of 2x. So we have got now f of x, and f of x is given in the question, and that is 5 minus 2 sine of 2x. So f of x is same as 5 minus 2 sine of 2x is equal to 6. This can be written as minus 2 sine of 2x is 6 minus 5. This 5 will be shifted there. It's minus 2 sine of 2x is equal to 1, or sine of 2x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now we know that the basic angle for sine of 2x or sine of x is equal to minus 1 over 2 is the same as, now here the angle is not x, it's 2x, is same as pi over 6. The basic angle is pi over 6. Now since the sine function is negative here over 4 quadrants, sine is positive in the first quadrant, sine is positive in the second quadrant, and the sine will be negative in the third and the fourth quadrant. In order to find out the angles for which sine of 2x is equal to minus 1 over 2, we need to draw the basic angle in which the sine is negative. Now here we have got our basic angle, and here we will draw this angle. This is our pi over 6, and here we also need to draw this again basic angle in the fourth quadrant as well, because sine is negative in the fourth quadrant as well. And then we need to find out the angle from this positive x-axis to these two angles. Now this is our first angle, and this angle is of course pi plus pi over 6. So our angle, that is 2x, is same as pi plus pi over 6. Now by taking the LCM, we will get 6, and this will become 6 pi plus pi, and this will become 7 pi over 6. So 2x is 7 pi over 6. X is same as 7 pi over 12. Now our second angle will be this one, and this is same as 2 pi minus pi over 6. So our second angle will be 2 pi minus pi over 6. So take the LCM is 6, and this will become 12 pi minus pi. So 2x or 2x is equal to 11 pi over 6, or x is equal to 11 pi over 12. So these are our two required angles.